Hi friends, today let us see what are the steps of using this hand hero shapers. So if the cavity is up to the enamel, then we are not going to do any pulp therapies. Whenever our cavity reaches up to the pulp like this, then we will start our pulp therapies. Okay, so now let us see the steps. First step is diagnostic x-ray. Second step, reading the diagnostic x-ray. Then comes to your clinical steps like giving LA, placing rubber dams to achieve isolation. Okay, now let us see access opening steps. First, in the procedure of access opening, you have to start with the round burr. This is the tooth. Start with the round burr, and the pre-operatory work, like two referral points we have to take in the diagnostic X-ray. One is that the referral point to the height of the like pulp chamber. Measure. Imagine if this is the 4 mm, and take another referral number from the referral point to the apex. That comes as our arbitrary working length. These numbers should be in your mind before starting the case. Okay. Now let us imagine this number is 4 mm and this complete arbitrary working length is 21 mm. Then I'll start my access opening with the round burr till I get the drop. Okay, like this. Once I get the drop, I'll enlarge little bit. Then I will use my safe end burr. The specialty of safe end burr is that it doesn't have cutting efficiency at the edge. It has cutting efficiency on the walls. So with that, I'll be start using doing de-reefing. Like this, I'll be doing the de-reefing. Once I complete the de-reefing, if I take an X-ray, my X-ray will come like this. So all the roots should be opened. Then I'll take the DG probe and check this is my orifice or not. I'll be checking completely all the orifices. Once I feel these orifices are correct with my DG probe or endo probe, then I will start with my orifice shaper. So this is an hand hero file. This is the orifice shaper. This red color is 25.6% and this is 25.4%. So this one for the orifice, this is for the middle third, and this is for the apical third. In between we have to do the glide. Okay, now the first step comes over the orifice shaper. I'll be using the orifice shaper, keeping the stopper up to the my complete working length was 21. So I'll divide into 3 parts. My first part is 7 mm. I'll keep the stopper at 7 mm and I will be doing the orifice shaper. While in this part will be get enlarged. So it gives a way or entrance where my next file can go. Once I am done with that, my second half is 14. I'll keep the marker at 14 and I'll be doing the middle third shaping. So now my middle third is also again wider. So if this is wider, my next file can go inside. Then I'll start with my 10 number and I will glide up to my 21 working length. Once my arbitrary 21 is achieved, then I will take my 10K file and try to achieve the arbitrary working length. Once I am done with my arbitrary working length, I will take my working length X-ray I can take with apex locator or any IUPA or RVG base. Once in apex locator and everything it is confirmed that it is 21 mm, then I'll start doing my apical preparation for a normal canals let me do with one time with 22%. Once it is done, then again apical third with 25.4%. Okay, I'll keep the stopper at 21 mm. I'll be doing the 25.4%. Once I achieve that, I'll take the GP and place it and I'll go for the master cone X-ray. Once the GP should be snugly fit at this level. Once my GP is snugly fit and tight fit, then I'll take the sealer, I'll seal it and I'll place and I'll do the obturation. So check once again the series of the hero shapers. For regular and normal, we have to start with the orifice shaper. This is the red series. okay, where you are using middle third with 25 6 and apical third with 25 4.